Hello everyone, today my video is based on a new topic, that is total utility and the marginal utility, which is for the standard 12. Let us begin. So what do you mean by the word utility? Utility is the capacity of a commodity to satisfy human needs or want, right? For example, when we are hungry, we need a food, we take a food and once it is done, we are satisfied. Another example is that when we are thirsty, we take a glass of water, or else we will take a complete one bottle of water until we are done, and then we are satisfied. So the simplest example to understand the meaning of the term utility. Moving further, to know about total utility and marginal utility, let us know the meaning. What is total utility? It is refers to an aggregate of all the utility derived by the consumer from all the units of the commodity consumed. That is, it is the aggregate of all the units of the commodity which the consumer is consuming. For example, if you want to have a glass of mango juice, maybe individual to individual the appetite differs. So maybe you want to have a 3 glass of mango juice. So you will be taking that 3 glass of mango juice. So this total utility is 3 glasses of mango juice, right? Another example is that if you want to have a pani puri, you may order it, and maybe you want to have some 15 pani puris. So this is the total utility consumed, or you have taken is 15. This is total adding of the commodity is said as a total utility. Now what is marginal utility? It is refers to the additional unit or utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of the commodity consumed. That is, what is extra added in the total utility is known as the marginal utility. For example, if you had a 3 glass of mango juice, but again you wanted to have one more glass of mango juice. So what is extra added is one more glass. That extra is called as a marginal utility. Same way, if you had 15 pani puris, and after eating 15 pani puri, if you wanted to have 3 or 4 more extra, so that what is extra added is called as that extra count is added is called as a marginal utility. Therefore, the change brought in total by adding unit, that is the last unit of a commodity consumed, is called as a marginal utility. So what are the points to remember in the total utility and the marginal utility relationship? Let us know. Initially, total utility and marginal utility is same. After some point, total utility keeps on increasing, but marginal utility keeps on decreasing. Then after some more point of time, the total utility is at the highest and the marginal utility is at the lowest. When it reaches the point of satisfaction, if the consumer is consuming more, the total utility will be positive, but it will keep on declining, and the marginal utility will become negative. For more detailed information, let us move to the next slide. So here we have a graphical representation of TU and MU, that is total utility and marginal utility curves. In the beginning, TU and MU are the same. After the consumers start consuming, the TU increases at the diminishing rate, whereas MU goes on diminishing. Total utility reaches to its maximum after some point of time, and MU becomes 0. TU is at highest and MU is 0. After the further additional consumption, further results in decline in the total utility, whereas MU becomes negative. After reaching the point of satiety, a rational consumer must stop consumption, or else it reaches to the maximum limit of satisfaction, where there is no addition to total utility by any further increase in the stock. Therefore, consumption beyond the point of satiety transforms satisfaction into dissatisfaction.